Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video. So today is a very exciting episode, and you'll soon see why. So as of recently, just browsing around online, and I saw something and I immediately knew I really like this, and I went through some extents to gather this piece, so I can't wait to show you guys. Let's have a look and I'll tell you about what it is and why I chose to get it. Okay, so excited to get in, and there's no point prolonging it. Let's get straight into the parcel. So we got it here. I am so excited to get this open, so we can put everything aside as it comes. Okie dokie. Wrapped up in some paper. Here is the item, wrapped up very nicely. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to get into this. Okay, so this here is actually some gold, and I saw this and I just really wanted it. It is something that I've wanted for a long time, especially the design of it. And I actually ended up selling my 1/10 ounce gold kangaroo 2020 Perth Mint to be able to get this, because I knew that I really wanted this, and that was pretty much the only way that I could do that. And I have to say, I don't think I'm going to regret it. I can already see it a little bit, and it's looking pretty good. Okay, so let's get straight into it. We have it in a bag here. Oh boy, oh boy. Yeah, so it is in a capsule, of course. Of course, gold needs to be in a capsule. And then it is in a bag. So we'll just get straight into it. So here we have another 1/10 ounce gold piece, but this is a 2012 gold lunar. So this is, of course, the Lunar Dragon Series 2, I believe. And it is spectacular. I am so glad to have one of these. As you guys know, I am a very big fan of the dragons. In fact, I think, yes, we have a 2020 Perth Mint rectangular dragon, perhaps my favorite in my whole entire silver stack. I'm just such a big fan of the dragon design, and I've always wanted to get a 2012 lunar, because obviously 2012 was the last year of the Lunar Dragon. Next up is 2024, but let's give you guys a closer look because it is so spectacular. Here is a spectacular piece in pretty much perfect condition, looking absolutely splendid. What a lovely piece. Big fan of the dragons, of course. We got the tiny Perth mint mark there, and on the outside we actually have a very noticeably different side, in my opinion, because you can see that in fact the writing is actually a lot smaller than you'd see on other pieces. Just opinion, but just for some size comparison, obviously the rectangle dragon is actually smaller than most things, in my opinion. But you can see it is actually quite a large coin for a 1/10 ounce. It's a little bit, it's not even that much thinner, but it is very wide in terms of the 1/10 ounce size compared to the gold kangaroo. Bit smaller, but I'm a massive fan of this. Very excited to have this, because I do know that lunars tend to gather a really nice premium as well. So when the time does come to sell this, which will be a very sad day, of course, it will be a good return. So in fact, if I were to ever sell this, I would most likely move on to a 1/4 ounce season 2 dragon, just because I'm such a big fan of the dragons, especially the Lunar Dragons. So a lovely piece to go in the collection with my other dragon piece here. Great unboxing once again. Always exciting to get some gold, because it is much rarer that we get some unboxed on the channel. Always a big fan of all the precious metals, but that does it for the video. If you guys are interested in more videos like this, please feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and check out the links in the description for some great financial resources to help you along your journey. That's all for now, guys, and I hope you enjoyed. Until next time, goodbye.